Product owner and a scrum master, they are two different roles, and most often PMP aspirants or agile aspirants confuse with it. So in this video, let's break down their responsibilities of a product owner and a scrum master with some example, and also we will try to understand when their roles and responsibilities are overlap in the project life cycle. So let's start. So let's talk about product owner first. Product owner is the person who decide on what product or what feature or what items team should work on based on the client or customer requirement or needs. Product owner also is the person who says, hey, let's build this feature first because this is most demanded feature, this is most required feature, and it is in high priority from the customer or from the client. So let's build it first. Also, the product owner define the product vision, they set the priorities, they manage and maintain the product backlog, and they also keep vision clear. Product owner also make sure team delivers maximum business value. Now, the other hand, a scrum master responsibilities are they handle how the team gets work done. Think a scrum master like a coach who coach the team on agile or scrum practices, processes. They also facilitate the daily stand-up, sprint planning, and also help team clear the blockers if their team is facing any kind of challenge, if they are facing any kind of problem. The scrum master immediately comes into the picture and they solve the issues so that team can move further and faster. For example, team is saying, hey, I'm stuck, I cannot access the testing tool. In that case, a scrum master will comes into the picture and he will address these issues immediately, try to communicate and correspond with the concerned stakeholder and resolve the problem for the team so that team can move forward with the work. However, the product owner and the scrum master roles are different, but they do not work in silos. Both of them working in a sprint planning. Product owner say, hey, what's needed? Let's build this feature first because this is most demanded or it is in high priority according to our client or customer. While the scrum master helps the team to figure out how we will do it. Again, in the sprint review, product owner present the work while a scrum master will manage the entire meeting. Also, both of them, product owner and a scrum master, throughout the project communicate with the stakeholders. Product owner communicate on the stakeholders on the vision of the project, while a scrum master communicate with the stakeholder on the project progress. So in short, remember, product owner more emphasize on what what features will be built, user story will build based on the customer or client requirement, while the scrum master more emphasize on how this feature, product, or user story will be executed, will be developed, will be created. So product owner emphasize on what, and scrum master emphasize on how. So this is exactly what you have to keep in your mind, and I hope with this video your confusion is cleared now. If you found it helpful, then hit the like, follow me, and subscribe the channel for more videos on Agile and PMP. Thank you so much.